So greetings guys. As you can see, I have ordered this particular item, that is LG 9.1.5 wireless soundbar, and I ordered it from Flipkart, so open box delivery was there. And so those lethargic guys leave that bar unwrapped over here on my sofa, and this is what they have extracted from the entire box. That is their wiring kit, hooks, then mounting hooks, power cables, two batteries along with remote control, some sort of minor manuals, some screws are there, okay, just they are there, and some more power cables. So these are the attachment we are getting from this sound bar, and this is the big woofer, and I'm hoping to mount with my view TV. The thing is, the TV is way cheaper as compared to soundbar, and this bit older too. So let us just hope that it gets fit without any hassle, and that's the only hope I have this at this moment. Many thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.